If you are an art lover, you'll have so much fun watching this video. You better be excited, because this is about to be good. Our talented artist is using his hands to make wonders in here. Just watch how smooth these petals look. It's good that this is a video, because it would be hard to believe that he's done these with his bare hands. The way the paint looks after he touches it is just mesmerizing. We surely love watching talented people do what they do best. Art definitely has the power to calm your mind. There's no way you could be having negative thoughts while painting this. Let's spice it up with some green paint now, shall we? These will symbolize the leaves, as you can probably tell. You know what's wonderful about this painting? It looks good even unfinished. Flowers are mostly associated with happiness and celebrations, so it makes you feel good even when you're just watching it. He's working on the details now. You should know that details make a big difference. And we're not talking for paintings only. The saying goes for every piece of work that you take in hands. See? Even the leaves look more like leaves with the added details. We're loving this guy's dedication. After the leaves are done, it then takes care of the stem. This is starting to look more complete with each line he adds. Would you hang this on your wall? We know we would. Oh, look at that small yet colorful addition. We're definitely in love with this painting.